So, nakakatawa to because there are new growths. See, oh. New growths from this. I bought it few days ago. There were no new growths, but there are now, yes. And also here, oh. So there are new growths already. Also new growths. Yeah, so baby leaves. Yes, so meron na siya. Today, medyo diniligan natin siya. And also this flower actually, may new growth siya. Meron din siya, ayan o. May mga bagong sibol, kumbaga. Ayan. Yeah, definitely. Ito medyo may bagong sibol din, itong maliliit, pero nawala yung mga flowers niya. So, huwag naman kayo mag-dry. Ito bagong sibol na to. Ito bagong sibol. Ito. So, ayun din yung maliliit dito. So, medyo nag-dry siya kasi ito yung lights. Ang liwanag dito. Anyhow, yan. Hopefully,